feathers flashing sunlight, a birdwatcher's treat. From dawn till dusk, they put on quite a show at the Rainforest Discovery, where the bird lovers go. Blue-headed pitta hops without a care, kingfisher dives cutting through the air. Charlotte's baubil sings a gentle tone, while the Bornean black magpie calls his home. Birdsong in the trees, what a sight to see. Hornbills soaring high, wild and free. Every color, every sound fills the canopy at the Rainforest Discovery Paradise it be. Hornbills' mighty wings casting shadows below. Flycatchers dart through the morning glow. Wallace's hawk eagle circles up high, guarding the treetops, watching the sky. Guides point out secrets hidden in the leaves. Folk come from miles, it's hard to believe. Binoculars in hand, notebooks clutched tight, jotting down memories in the soft twilight. Birdsong in the trees, what a sight to see. Hornbills soaring high, wild and free. Every color, every sound fills the canopy at the Rainforest Discovery Paradise it